Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Jeep Grand Cherokee headrest. First, identify if the issue is a deployed active head restraint or a simple mechanical failure. Many problems stem from broken plastic clips or a faulty internal mechanism. It's important to know if you're dealing with a front or rear headrest, as removal steps can differ. Before starting, gather basic tools like a trim removal tool or even a sturdy paper clip. If your Jeep Grand Cherokee's active headrest has deployed, often due to a rear-end collision, you might be able to reset it. In some cases, you can manually push the headrest back into its original position. Grab the headrest with both hands and apply firm, even pressure downwards. You should hear a distinct click when the internal mechanism latches, securing the headrest back in place. This method works for many deployed units. To address more complex headrest issues, removal is often necessary. Begin by raising the headrest to its highest adjustment level. Look for visible release buttons or tabs on the headrest posts and press them. For some models, you'll need a small tool, like a jumbo paperclip, to depress a hidden release pin on one of the posts. Once both sides are disengaged, carefully pull the headrest straight up and out of the seat. For advanced repairs, inspect the internal components for broken plastic pieces or damaged springs. Replacement clips or mechanisms are available, or you might need a full headrest replacement if the damage is extensive. If your headrest has active restraint wiring, ensure it's reconnected properly during reassembly. Always test the headrest's functionality after any repair. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.